It's nice, James. It's nice. So that's the Conifer Grove. That's the one on the right. Yeah, that's a Conifer Grove. And then the other side of the Conifer Grove, that's the Waiata Shores. And then on the other one, you see that far one with the trees? That's the Wattle Downs. That's the other one. Remember when we biked